Good morning, everybody. It's Fiona Fernandez. How are we all today? It's Saturday. Here's my details. And it's the 4th of November already. I can't find my host code. Oh, never mind. The host code's on my desk somewhere. There is a host code. If you're looking to shop with me, all my details are under fionafernandez.stampinup.net, and if you go to the specials page, you'll find my host code there if you're shopping under $250. So there's all my details, and let's get into my little box. So I closed my workshop host code the other day and got some goodies. So what's going on next week is the big Stampin' Up on stage at home event. A few team members involved in that, and we sit at home and do our on-stage things. Lots of fun creating together. A bit of air for us. I always pad things out. I must have opened it upside down, I think. That's okay. So I've just got a few bits and pieces in here. I've got dark bubble acidic blends, are alcohol pens, and they come in a pack of 2 like this, and it's always a good idea to double check everything. So let me just find a bit of paper. Put a bit of paper there, and just take the ends off and just double check. This is a very pale pink. It's on very tight. So they have 2 ends. Let me try and get that in focus for you. That end is more of a pointy tip, hard pointy tip, and the other end is more like a brush, so it shows you on the picture here which one's which. This is the darker one, and that's the thinner end. So you've got the 2 colours, so they're alcohol. That one's very tight, which is good because it means you've got a good seal on them. Pop that over there, and I've just got some cardstock that I hadn't got yet. You can buy the cardboard in packs of 12 by 12. These are A4. The 12 by 12s and the A4s come in a mixed pack of some of the different colours. So it's the core colour. These ones are part of the core colours, and you'll get a couple of sheets of each colour in the mixture packs, which is very handy, and that's what I had bought originally when they first came out. As you are afternoon. Pecan pie. I didn't get all of them. I've got a few already. So I've got some more shaded spruce for my Christmas cards because I like that green. And Lost Lagoon, because I hadn't bought any Lost Lagoon yet. So that's a lovely. That goes very nicely with the Pretty Peacock. Like a paler tone. Now I did get the sparkling snowflakes. Those, and they go with, let's put that out, this punch. So this is the sparkling snowflake tag topper punch. If you're on my team at the moment, we've got a team challenge of using a punch to create something a bit different to what the punch actually does. So you can put things in at a different angle, or just use a part of the punch, and do something different with it. So this one will do the little tag toppers there. I'll just find my bit of cardboard under my desk here somewhere. If I've got any room left, I've been punching bears out of that one. I like to punch onto this sort of cardboard. It's a packet of something, you know, cereal box, anything like that. Just keep your bit of old cardboard. So when you get a new punch it in, because then you can get all the oils out. There will be oils. Oh, you've got to have this. Okay, so this one you've got to have it the right size. So we'll just trim that down a little bit. The width of that is 2 inches. So I'm just going to cut that with my scissors, just so we can get a bit going. To test it, I'll go just in a tiny tad. Normally I'd use my trimmer to do this, to cut strips, but that's okay, just for this occasion. Just put so that it fits in there if you do a 2-inch one. So I'm just going to push it right through. Bloop, bits everywhere. There you go. And see how it's oily around the edges? Just put it on my hand. There's a bit of oil around the edges of it. That's normal. It's because they put oil in there to make it work properly. So do it a few times. Actually, it gives it a nice little... that actually gives it a nice little shadow. But yeah, you keep going until you get the oils off it before you put your good cardstock in there. So that's how that one works. And you get a nice little tag topper. So that goes nicely with this set. So it's photopolymer, which means that they're clear. And you can actually stamp two-step. Yep, it's two-step stamping. Look, two-step. So you can stamp one over the top of the other. See how you've got a solid? You'll stamp this one over the top, or that one. You've got your bigger one. Yep, so you've got two for each stamp. Two sizes. Ooh, that'll be fun to play with. We've got winter greetings. Let it snow. Make the season sparkle. And for you. Nice. And what else? What else is in my box? We've got some mini pocket envelope dies I decided to get to make some treats for Christmas. Now I always keep these bags that come off the die packets. They do have a hole in them for air, so that you can't put anything that's airtight in there, but you can put things in there like little snack things. So I made one of these last week in my class, and put things that are already covered like that. So you can actually buy the cello bags that are food safe from Stampin' Up, and then you can seal them, or you can use your extra bags off your dies and put them back to use. Recycle. Always good to reuse things. And I've just got a couple of ribbons that I threw into the order with my Stampin' Rewards. Pecan Pie. It's a pretty ribbon. Just take that off there. I'd usually just, if you have trouble finding that end piece, I squeeze it like that till I can see the flap of plastic come up. It's not going to work for me, of course. Always when you want to. I get it like that till I've got that bit of plastic up there, and then I snip it. I just find it's quicker. And that looks, oh, that's very soft. That's the inside. It's basically the same. Oh, a little bit different. So yeah, I'd probably use the outside of it more. Some of their ribbons are very double-sided. That one I would stick with the side that's showing on the outside. Another one. What's this one? This is Moody Mauve. See, that one's quite easy to get off. Just pull the plastic up. And this one is quite double-sided. So this one is called Moody Mauve, and it's the textured ribbon. That comes in all the in-colour colours. So you've got 5 different colours to choose from. And that's my little box. So thank you for watching, and if you want to shop with me, there's all my details again. And you'll find my Hurrying Coast code on my desk somewhere. I can't find it. I didn't print one. I had to handwrite it the other day. Well, now I can't find it. I've been busy making things. So I'll catch you next time. Ciao.